Hey, beautiful girls! Welcome back to the channel! Or if you're new here, hi! My name is Anna, and today I'm sharing simple yet powerful ways to enhance your natural beauty without relying on heavy makeup. We're talking about skincare, hair care, style, and most importantly, confidence. So sit back, relax, and let's get glowing. Part 1. Skincare, the foundation of natural beauty. First things first, glowing skin starts from within. Your skin is like a canvas, and if it's well taken care of, you won't feel the need to cover it up. Here's how. 1. Hydrate. 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 Water is your skin's best friend. Drinking at least 8 glasses a day keeps your skin plump, radiant, and youthful. I love adding lemon or cucumber for extra benefits. 2. Stick to a simple but effective skincare routine. You don't need 20 steps, just the basics. Gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Moisturizer to keep your skin soft and supple. SPF every single day to protect from aging and sun damage. 3. Exfoliate for that glow. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week removes dead skin cells and brings out a fresh, natural radiance. Just don't overdo it. Part 2. Hair and style, your natural beauty boosters. All right, let's talk about hair and style because the right choices can elevate your entire look effortlessly. 1. Healthy hair. Beautiful hair. Want that silky, healthy shine? Try this. Massage your scalp with oils like coconut or castor oil for stronger hair growth. Rinse with cold water for smooth, frizz-free hair. Minimal heat styling. Embrace your natural texture. 2. Find your signature hairstyle. You don't need complicated hairstyles. Sometimes a simple ponytail, braids, or beach waves can frame your face beautifully. 3. Dress for confidence and comfort. Your style should reflect you. Here's how to enhance your look with fashion. Wear colors that complement your skin tone. Go for well-fitted outfits that highlight your best features. Don't underestimate accessories. A good pair of earrings or a simple necklace can make a huge difference. Part 3. Confidence, the ultimate beauty. Secret? Now, here's the most important part. Confidence. Because no skincare product or outfit will make you shine the way self-love does. 1. Smile more. A genuine smile is the best beauty hack. It instantly makes you more approachable and radiant. 2. Stand tall, walk with purpose. Good posture can transform how you look and feel. Shoulders back, head high, and own the room. 3. Positive affirmations. Instant glow up. Every morning tell yourself, I am beautiful just the way I am. I am confident and strong. My natural beauty is enough. Try it. It might feel weird at first, but trust me, it works. And that's it, my loves. These are simple yet powerful ways to enhance your natural beauty. From skincare and hair care to style and self-love. What's your favorite tip? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beauty and lifestyle content. Until next time, stay confident, stay glowing, and remember, you are beautiful just the way you are.